Hi there. Today I'm going to show you where all 20 triangles are in this shape. And this shape is just 6 straight lines, and each line crosses all of the other 5 lines as it goes through. You can see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So over all the other lines, it's they cross. And then once all those lines cross, then you're left with 10 enclosed shapes, and I've numbered those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and that's going to help me show you where all these triangles are located. And there's a formula that you can use to work out how many triangles, or the maximum number of triangles that are created by 6 lines. And I did read somewhere that it said they hadn't seen anybody work it out manually and get it correct. So I thought I'd go through and have a look. And I did. I worked out where all the 20 triangles are. And I will show you now where all those 20 triangles are. So the single triangles, I've just got those up here. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. So you can see there 1, that's a triangle. 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. So there's 6 single triangles, first of all, and triangles that are made up using 2 adjacent sections. We've got, first of all, 3 and 4 is there, 6 and 7, and 7 and 9. So there's only 3 that use two cells. And now there is 5 that use 3 adjacent cells. So we've got 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, and 6, which is that shape there. 5, 8, and 10. 5, 8, and 10. That's a triangle. 3, 7, 9. So we've got another triangle there. 3, 7, 9. 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, and 10. And 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, and 9. So that's 5 triangles that are made up of 3 adjacent shapes. Now 4 adjacent shapes. So we've got 3 there. So first of all, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 6, 7, 8, and 9 is that triangle shape. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5 is that triangle. And now with 5 adjacent shapes, we've got 1, 2, 3, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, and 7 is another triangle. 2, 5, 6, 8, and 10. 2, 5, so that's there. 2, 5, 6, 8, and 10. And the last one actually uses 7 adjacent shapes, and we've got 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that's that big triangle there of 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 to make the last triangle. So if we count that up, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So there we go. There are all the 20 triangles that are made from this shape. So if you want to have a good look at that, obviously you can pause the video anywhere along the way. But otherwise, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.